Alexandria, the final defeat of Rome. The Islamic Empire had firmly established its power in North Africa and Egypt. Muslims had taken control of Egypt, but Roman forces were attempting to reclaim the region. The city of Alexandria, located on the Mediterranean coast, was a stronghold of Roman military power and a major commercial center. It was important not only militarily but also as a hub of trade, knowledge, and arts. The Muslim general, Amr ibn al-As, R.A., was entrusted with the task of conquering Alexandria. Amr ibn al-As was a fearless, wise, and experienced commander. Preparation of the Muslim army. The Muslim army numbered approximately 12,000 to 15,000 soldiers. Each carried faith, sacrifice, and hope for victory. The army included brave Arabs, Berbers, and North Africans. The Muslims planned a siege of the city. Amr ibn al-As gave clear instructions to the army. No harm should come to innocent civilians. Attacks on forts should be carried out with wisdom and strategy. The internal system of the city should not be destroyed. State of the enemy. Roman soldiers were strongly stationed in Alexandria's forts. Large artillery, guards, and strong walls were prepared for the city's defense. The Romans observed that the Muslim army was not only brave but also organized and careful in every step. Even the city's residents joined the defense, fearing that their rights might be affected under Muslim control. Army strategy. Amr ibn al-As divided the army into two parts. One part to attack the forts and key defensive positions. The other to surround the city's internal areas. The Muslim soldiers shouted in the name of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Victory belongs to Allah. The enemy resisted from all directions, but the Muslims advanced with faith, courage, and wisdom. Siege and negotiations. The Muslim army camped around the city. Amr ibn al-As began negotiations with the enemy to avoid unnecessary bloodshed. The Romans realized that the Muslims were not only strong but also disciplined and strategic, making them difficult to overcome. After a few days of siege, the Roman army became fearful and decided to abandon further resistance. Capture of the city's forts. The Muslim army took control of the forts and defensive centers. Roman soldiers either fled or surrendered. The city residents were amazed to see that the Muslims had come not only to conquer but also to establish peace and justice. Amr ibn al-As stationed forces in key areas of the city and ensured the safety of the residents' lives and property. Civil administration. The Muslims established governance in the city. Protected markets and trade centers. Provided water and other essential facilities. Guaranteed religious freedom and protected places of worship. Residents observed that Muslims had achieved more than military victory, they had established order and peace in the city. Wisdom and sacrifice of the Muslims. The Muslim army sacrificed their animals, weapons, and supplies to gain control over the forts and defensive centers. The Romans realized that Muslim victory was not achieved through force alone but through faith, sacrifice, and strategy. The Muslim army established peace in enemy territories and maintained friendly relations with the residents. Beginning of Mediterranean conquests. The conquest of Alexandria taught Muslims. Victory achieved with wisdom and patience is lasting. Sincerity and sacrifice make difficult tasks easier. Success must align with principles and justice. This event served as a warning to the Roman army, which, witnessing the Muslims' faith and strategy, refrained from further resistance. Army presence and return. The Muslim army maintained order in the city. Amr ibn al-As personally oversaw operations to ensure residents remained safe and prosperous. Military garrisons were established in the forts, markets, and residential areas. The army treated residents with respect. Rome's final defeat. After the conquest of Alexandria, the Roman army could no longer resist in North Africa. This victory is remembered as Rome's final major defeat. The Muslims demonstrated that victory is achieved not merely by force but through faith, wisdom, sacrifice, and patience. Muslim resolve and courage. The Muslim army proved that every obstacle can be overcome with faith and sacrifice. Victory is incomplete without wisdom and organization. The enemy's fear strengthens and solidifies the conquest.